The next swell that came, I did not miss Jaws. That's for darn sure.
I'd never seen waves that big in my entire life. They had to be over 100 feet, 120 feet at least.
You know, going down a wave and feeling a surfboard on your leg, just like I wasn't sure if it was a surfboard or if it was a jet ski, you know, like it was such a scary situation.
Everyone was paddling up over it, and I felt like I was in a good spot, and something just told me, like, go. I airdropped, the wind got under my board, I airdropped sideways. I connected back with the face, but my front foot landed on the side of the stringer, and the board started doing a cutback. I looked up, and this 40 foot above me, the lip was starting to fall, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is about to get really, really bad.